Welcome back to my channel, the IIT Encoder. This is a video tutorial of problem C, ABBB of Ref Round 1, Code Forces Division 1 plus Division 2. So this was a very easy question. So what you need to do is basically Zookeeper is playing a game, and in this game Zookeeper must use bombs to bomb a string that consists of letters A and B. And you can use bombs to bomb a substring which is either AB or BB. So that means if we are given a string, we can remove any part which is AB, or we can remove any part which is BB, and this part is deleted and the rest string is concatenated. This part is important because see, in this case, suppose I remove AB, then this AA is concatenated, and suppose I remove this AB, then I can remove this BB also. Okay, so how do you approach this problem? Seems tricky, right? But it's not the case. See, suppose we are given a string S0, S1, S2, S3, S4, so on till Sn minus 3, Sn minus 2, and Sn minus 1. Okay, now just start from the end. Why? I will tell you in a moment. If keep a variable count b, this keeps track of how many times the letter b appears until now. Okay, so if this letter is b, and keep a answer variable. Okay, now one thing you need to notice that the final answer string that you will get will be of the form b a. How many times ever a is there, or it will be of the form just is. Okay, you can easily see if there is a b here, we will remove this part. If there is a b anywhere here, we will remove that part, or it will be of the form b b b. Right, these are the only three forms possible. So based on this approach, if the we will initialize answer to 0 and count b to 0. Now if this is a and count b is 0, then we increment answer and we move forward, because there is no way I can remove this a even after deleting some things, because there is no b after this. But if this is b, then we increment count b, so we make count b 1 if this is b. Okay, now we move here, so we move here. Now if this is b, then we again increment count b by 2. We can remove this bb string, but let it be there for now. Okay, so we increment count b and make it 2. Now suppose this is a. Okay, somewhere we will reach a. So if this is a, we can easily combine this with the next b, and we can decrement this count b now and make it a 1 again, and now move ahead. Okay, in this way, suppose if there is an a again, then we combine that a with this b because we have removed this part, and then count b becomes 0. Okay, what does this do? In the end, the string that will be left with us would only if the count b is greater than 0. Okay, then the answer would be the present answer that has come due to a, and then b is coming. As you can see, if there is a and then count b becomes 1, then here in all this string there cannot be an a, so you can never have aba string. This is like the what do you call, like this is the approach of this question, that only these three special cases will always occur. So the answer would be answer plus count b mod 2. Okay, because count b denotes the b's that are left here, I can always remove the even number of b's, because two b's can always be bombarded with a bomb. So in the end, it will be count b mod 2 plus answer. So hope you understood this question. Let us look at the code. So let us look at my code. Yeah. So what do I do is I take count A variable and count B variable, and I start from the end. And if it is A and if count B is greater than 0, then count B minus minus I minus minus. Otherwise, if count B is 0, that means I cannot combine it with anything. So I increase the answer by 1 and I minus minus. Okay. Now if count B, now if it is B, then I can't do anything. I just do count B plus plus. Okay, and I minus minus. So in the end, I just print out answer plus count B mod 2. So it passed all the test cases. Yeah. So hope you understood this question. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Also, I am starting some various web development and Android app development courses. Please do take a look on them.